Go to openuniversity.acumatica.com. So some obvious things, obviously you're here to learn. So there's courses, right? So you can go down and you can look at courses. These are the same courses that partners go through, but there's no testing for customers. They really are good. They're good examples of learning different areas of the application. There are course catalogs, there's learning paths. It's a great place to, and you can see that there are some detailed discussions around system administration, reporting, web services, development. If you do have someone who's got development skills, I mean, there is a course out here to get very deep into Acumatica. So these are great places to come and learn about Acumatica. One of the things that I think is somewhat, if you don't know it's here, maybe you haven't been here and found this, these job aids. Job aids these are documents. So these are Word documents, so they're completely editable, right? So you want to open up inventory clerk, right? So we're just going to open up an inventory clerk, and here's the job aid for an inventory clerk. So in other words, here's an example of I'm going to open the file here in Word. I apologize. So here it is in a Word document. So now we can edit this. So if your inventory clerk, here's the standard process someone's going to go through to enter an inventory issue or issue. So when you're going to do an inventory transaction, here's a step-by-step process what you can go through. Well, ABC company might want to come in here and say, I'm going to put a step 7 on here and make sure that this is approved, make sure that the foreman, the shop foreman knows about this, make sure that a copy of whatever I just did goes back to the office. You can tailor these to make them fit you and your business. So, and as you can see, they're comprehensive. So back to job aids. Marketing, sales management, order and inventory, support, financial things, accounts payable, accounts receivable, controller. All the basic functions are they're identified with a step-by-step process, and it's all customizable. So you can come in here and make it whatever you wish it to be. It's kind of a way to standardize business processes. As you're going through an implementation, that's one of the things that kind of naturally comes out of implementing Acumatica is going and standardizing some of your processes. So this is kind of a way to kind of work through that as part of the implementation. And then after that's done, you've got your job aids all set and ready to go for you to kind of take new people, that new person that starts as accounts payable. You're going to say, here's our standards for how we're going to do this. So it's kind of a good opportunity that Acumatica gets you started on. And it might take you off into areas that aren't listed here and go out and create new job aids for things that don't exist. Okay, so education, job aids, community, lots of good stuff there.